In this video, we're going to be accessing and going over the page details of any specific page on your website. So we're starting here from the dashboard, and I'm just going to go ahead and select any website. Go ahead and select whichever website you'd like to customize. We're going to be clicking on sportsfootage.com. Go ahead and select whichever page you would like to view and customize page details. In this case, we'll just be clicking on the home page that was installed with the website. Scrolling up to the very top, if you come up to the gray top menu bar where it says Go To, you will see the first option we can select is Page Details. So go ahead and click on Page Details. After clicking on Page Details, you will see a menu bar pop up on the right-hand side of the screen. The top section of this here, you'll be able to save the details once you make any changes, or you can simply cancel any changes at any point in time if you made a mistake. You can change the body color, you can change the name. You can go ahead and customize, which website it is for. You can customize the link name that's going to be displayed on your dashboard, the page type, page design, font size settings. We cover this in a separate tutorial. You can select your industry. You can add specific keywords, your company name, contact information, your address, telephone number. And you can install, of course, a pixel for tracking purposes if you're running ads onto your website. To navigate out of page details, you can always at any point in time come back to your dashboard or click this globe icon. That will navigate you back to all the pages on your website, and you can continue selecting different pages and viewing page details for each respective page.